Hi again. I'm John, a health educator with the CalFresh Healthy Living Program, here to help answer a question we hear a lot, which is, what is bok choy and how do I cook with it? If you haven't seen it before, or maybe you have, just weren't sure what it was, bok choy is a type of Chinese cabbage. It's a leafy green vegetable that has these rounded leaves with long, light green, almost white stems. It comes in two sizes. Baby bok choy is small, and fully matured bok choy are large. We can eat it raw or cook it, and it's abundantly full of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help us stay healthy. To wash bok choy, you want to start by putting the whole bunch under running water and make sure to rinse off the outside of the stems and leaves. After you rinse the outside, you can use a knife to cut off the very bottom of the bunch and wash each leaf separately, really making sure you get all the dirt off. Once it's all clean, it's ready to enjoy and dip in hummus. Use as a topping in a delicious spicy shrimp and bok choy noodle bowl or a colorful coleslaw. For more recipes and healthy tips, visit CalFreshHealthyLiving.org.